Hello, my friends. My name is Ashish, and welcome to my channel. Today, you are watching me drive my pleasure. Now, let me clarify one thing. I have not created this channel just to showcase me riding my pleasure, which is not a bad thing, but trust me, pleasure will not go to a long distance. And I'll say something very honest. It will go to long distance, but it won't be a pleasure. But any which ways, it's a good scooty. इट्स अ गुड स्कूटी यार मैंने खरीदी है तो मेरे को बोलना ही पड़ेगा अच्छी स्कूटी है बट ठीक है अब जिसको पता है उसको पता है बट एनी विच वेज वेलकम टू माई चैनल and this is my first video which I'll be uploading today. This first video will all be about the struggles which I faced just to create a good setup. Now somehow I have finally got a good camera angle which records the road as well as this dashboard area. Now speaking about the dashboard area, kindly ignore this stains of shit by the pigeons because you can only ignore, but I have given up. I have completely given up and I have accepted the fact that yes, मैंने कुछ तो कबूतरों के साथ गलत किया था इस जन्म या पिछले जन्म में. I have no idea in which birth I did wrong to them, but somehow they have decided just only and only to shit on my bikes. That is the scooty and the another bike which I'll be sharing very soon. But any which ways, yeah, I have no idea on which road I am. Just to ensure a good audio setup, मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा पेट्रोल फूक दिया है. But चलो देखते हैं यार how this is going. And this is my 7th or 8th attempt to get a good audio, and whatever the output is on this audio, I am gonna accept it, and this is going to be my output for next few videos until I find a good output. But any which way, ये है. अब मैं थक चुका हूँ भाई. आई एम सो सॉरी. अभी यहाँ पे so yeah, I'll tell you about the struggles. So now the angle, getting the good angle was really easy. I got it finally. But yes, getting a good audio setup was difficult. So the camera which I got is for around 46,000, including that open box verification. They charge you 125 extra, which I don't understand why. But any which ways, the total cost of the camera is around 46 plus 150. Yeah, yep, it is around 47 150 ish. 10 here and 10 plus minus. But yes, it is 47,150 rupees for the camera. Then I have spent around 3,000 rupees, which includes my chin mount. Then it includes one another mount which I'll be attaching on my which I'll be attaching on my bike. Then there was another mount to take a third person POV. That and the other amount which I spent, which is around 1,000-ish rupees, that amount is completely wasted. So that amount I spent on getting a microphone setup where I got a mic. वो TRS वाला mic आता है where you have that three ring setup into the mics which were used in the older phones. So that setup, so that one was TRS, the mic was TRS, then it has to be converted into two ring setup. Then the two ring will be going into one converter which is like USB into your two ring setup. So that entire thing cost me around 1,000 rupees, right? And I had to get like two of those converters because the first converter apparently didn't work. It was working. It was the camera was showing me the green light where things are getting recorded, but somehow it was not recording. And I have uploaded a test video. Yes, test video where you can see the output of it. Yes, it is recording. So that was the first one. The second setup, I got a new touring setup, and I was but in that setup it was not recording the it was not showing me the green bar. So green bar is basically the validation that your USB or your setup has been completely connected and you can you can use it now. But it was not recording that. But that setup was not showing. But somehow the background noise was good. it was recording my voice very good. So I thought it was working. So I did around 2-3 rides wherein I changed the location of my mic, the USB, the TRS mic which I got wired. It was not wireless; it was wired TRS mic which I got. I changed the location that 3 times around my helmet. But yes, the output was all the 3 times the output was same, right? All the 3 times I was getting loud background noise, but my voice was also audible. So I was thinking that the mic was working, but me being dumb because पागल हूँ मैं पता नहीं मेरा दिमाग क्यों नहीं चला. But I'll tell you something, yaar. This DJI has a really good noise capturing thing. It captured my voice very crisply, in spite of the fact that it was not connected with the mic which was placed internally within my helmet. The camera was outside my helmet and it was recording my voice outside the helmet along with the background, and fuck, it was awesome. But I'll tell you something, the background noise was very high. No one could have listened anything other than that. So I had to change it. But finally, as they say, the solution is always in the simplest thing. So I canned all of that. I canned that TRS converter, I canned that USB to TRS converter, then I canned that 2-ring converter to 3-ring converter, and I canned the USB microphone. And I went and I simply bought a headphone, wired headphone with the USB connection. And apparently it is working well. I wouldn't say that it is working very perfectly. I know my voice is a little loud when compared to the background noise, but it is what it is. We will figure out something. But it is what it is for now. So yes, this was all the struggle. This is what I have been doing. So now it is around 6:15. So it is around 6:15 p.m. and this is what I have been doing since 2 p.m. मतलब मैं धूप में घूम रहा था यार ये सब करते हुए. मेरे को पता नहीं मैंने कितना पेट्रोल फूक दिया है. Like wasted a lot of petrol, a lot of money. But yeah, I am from the generation who grew up watching Mumbaikar Nikhil create a life out of his passion. And that's what I'm trying to do. Now that I have adult money, I'm trying to get into that zone. Whether I become successful or not, that's a different story. But I know one thing, that I'll be enjoying this process a lot. So yes, this is my introductory video. We will be getting to the second video, which will be a little more cinematic, which will be wherein the audio will be a little good, where I'll try to figure out how exactly I'll try to figure out how exactly. ये क्या है भाई, ये इतना बड़ा लेके घूमता है, इसको पीछे का दिखता ही नहीं होगा. वैसे तो मेरे को भी नहीं दिखता, बट स्टिल यार, दिस इज वेरी बिग यार. एनी विच वेज या. So here we are, and trust me, on the test footage I got really good content only if I had a working mic setup yaar. Anyways, I have uploaded the test footage. Do see that. The cops, so therein you will see suddenly cops coming in front of me with the sirens on, but I didn't wait because I didn't realize that they were in front of me. I was completely focused on the road. And I think that is the point where they highlighted me, or they marked me. And when I went ahead and I stopped at a place to check my recording, they came in suddenly. They were asking me what was I doing exactly, where was I staying, what is the camera setup. So I explained that I have got this new camera setup and I was working on it, but sadly the voice didn't record. I had such a good content then. But anyways, it is what it is. Yeah, this is life. So yeah, I know the introductory video wasn't that. I mean, why even you care, yaar? We are going to have a lot of fun coming up. We are going to travel a lot. We will be buying a new bike. To buy that new bike, we will be testing a lots of bikes. So yeah, stay tuned. Stay safe, ride safe. And yeah, follow your dreams यार, follow your dreams. Of course, responsibilities को मत छोड़ देना, but ये भी मत भूलना कि तुमको भी कुछ चीज़ें पसंद है और वो करना तुम्हारा तुमको करना है यार। कल को अगर तुमको कुछ हो गया, कल के कल में अगर तुम चले गए, तो यार तुम क्या जवाब दोगे खुद को? क्या जवाब दोगे कि जो भी किया सब फैमिली के लिए किया? सो दैट इज ऑल्सो गुड ऑप्शन, बट तुमने खुद के लिए क्या किया यार? खुद के लिए भी चीजें करो, हैव फन, यू ओनली गेट वन लाइफ, एंजॉय इट। तुमको जो करना है सब करो, बस किसी के हक का मत खाओ। दैट्स इट यार। इट्स अ गुड लाइफ, इट्स अ गुड वर्ल्ड। ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर नेगेटिव, बट या इट्स अ गुड वर्ल्ड। सो हैव फन एंड चलो यार, लेट्स फिगर आउट वेयर एग्जैक्टली वी आर। वेयर एग्जैक्टली वी आर, आई हैव नो आइडिया वेयर वी आर। बात करते करते कहाँ आ गए मेरे को कुछ पता नहीं है। किधर है यार ये पानीपुरी सेंटर? क्या है ये जगह? मेरे को थोड़ी सी तो अंदाजा है। आई बिलीव दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर वन ऑफ माई गर्लफ्रेंड्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड स्टेड। तो नो 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 नो, दिस इज हैप्पी वैली। हाँ हाँ हाँ, जिसको नहीं, हैप्पी वैली भी नहीं, दिस इज हैप्पी वैली नहीं, इसको क्या बोलते थे यार, मैं भूल गया नाम। चलो जो भी है, आगे नाम याद आया तो आया, नहीं आया तो नहीं आया। तुमको तो अरे नहीं 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 नहीं, अपन पहुंच गए हैं। हाँ, हीरानंदानी वन अभी है नहीं, यहाँ से लेफ्ट लिया तो हीरानंदानी वन आएगा। मेरे को समझा भी वेयर वी आर, बट एनी विच वेज यार guys, this is my first video. It is raw, it is unedited, it is what's the word, it is not filtered, it is not up to the mark, but it is what it is. It is what it is, as the life is. So chalo guys, have fun, keep riding, keep doing the things that you love, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully tomorrow, or maybe day after tomorrow, in the next week, I don't know. But the whole point is consistency. Let's see you know how much successful I am in the consistency. Let's not stop here. यहाँ पे लोग बहुत है, आगे जाके रुकते हैं। But चलो, bye bye, take care, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.